afraid of the big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf.
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? La 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 la.
Long ago there were 3 pigs, little handsome piggy wigs. For the big bad, very big wolf, they didn't give 3 figs. Number 1 was very gay, and he built his house with hay. With a hey hey toot he blew his flute, and he played around all day. Number 2 was fond of gigs, and so he built his house with twigs. Hey diddle diddle, he played on his fiddle and danced with ladies. Number 3 said songs, I will build my house with bricks. He had no chance to sing and dance, 'cause work and play don't